Buenos dias, soy vlogs. Voy a caminar a Walmart. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, guys, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Right now I'm gonna try to find Walmart. I need to get some supplies. And yo, this is awesome, yo. Just my whole first impression. I don't know what to think. It feels like a little Jamaica, a little bit of the US. You can feel that Latin vibe. People are walking around, riding around on some moped things. As you can see that guy walk with his lady at the back. It's pretty cool. But anyway, Walmart is like a mile and a half away. So I downloaded Google Maps onto my phone, so I should be able to find it, and I have my translator downloaded as well. So I should be able to do that without internet for a while. So I'm at some part on the block. I don't know exactly where this is, but I need to go straight forward to get to Walmart there. You can see that little spot, like roadside store. Feels almost like Brooklyn, maybe. And over there, for some reason, it just feels like Miami, even with the colors on the buildings and stuff. Yeah. And just in general, like, the weather is good, man. It's like really good weather. I don't know, like in Jamaica, where sometimes the sun is like really piercing hot. Nah, like, it just feels warm. It's very windy, I guess because I'm by the beach anyway, so. Yeah. It's awesome. I'm so happy, I'm so excited to be here. Trust me, you don't even know. And I'm just walking around, like, I don't really care, you know, like, I'm a tourist, the same way people, you know, travel to my country and so forth, and they do all the crazy stuff, you know. I think I have the right as a human being to, you know, go somewhere else and enjoy it too, right? So according to Google, I have about 7 minutes to go. It's almost a straight shot there. Yeah. Yo, to be honest, you guys might realize that I got out to the highway. I don't even know how to cross the street. Like, directionally, I'm trying to rearrange myself in the head, like, you know, what is what. I believe they drive the same way like the US. Yeah, they drive on the right, so, okay. I have to be taking like constant double checks as to where I'm going. But you guys might realize even some of the cars here are, well, it's a cross, because I just saw cars like Nissan Sunnies, like what we have in Jamaica, and then you have the GM cars like from the US, so it's a mix. And I think I just found a laundromat over there, just in case if my B&B doesn't have a laundromat, I know where I can go. So I'm already walking past like some street side food place, so I think I'll be coming back there sometime. It looks pretty good already, so that's one place I might hit up for sure. Oh look, I just saw Porsche. All right, yeah, we're almost there, getting closer to Walmart. Definitely the next time when I come back here, I'll definitely look into getting one of those moped things. Like, I've never ridden one before, never ridden a big motorbike before either, so, but I think it should be quite simple. I think that would make the trip even more interesting, you know, doing something that you never did before. Plus it's gonna make like getting around to certain places quicker. Of course, when I get accustomed to stuff, I'm gonna be taking you know, the little taxis that I saw running and stuff. I don't know what this building is, but it looks quite interesting. Yo, check out the doors on this building. Yo, that's one big old door. It looks like it could be a villa or something, but I don't know. I don't see no signs on it or anything. It's cool. Oh. So I just saw on that bus, it seems like those buses in Jamaica where you just hop on a minibus and they take you places, because I did see Walmart on it, Coca-Cola Plaza on it, or whatever else it was saying in Spanish. So I know that there's transportation to get in around different places. And there is a taco place just over there called Tacos Angels. It doesn't quite look so exciting over there, but that's what I'm gonna do, just walk around any street food thing that seems interesting that I've never tried, or it seems like quite a few people are there, then I'll definitely try it out. Here, little bus again. Yeah, so there are definitely route buses going to specific places. I'll understand it pretty soon. I'm just learning the place. This is just doing my whole impression of the place. But one thing I have noticed so far, I am the only black person that I've seen. Like, everyone else is just like straight up Mexican. But what do you expect? You're in Mexico, right? I'm not quite sure if I'm in the turismo, Proxima, the touristic area. I don't know. I'm not sure. But you know, they do have some nice facilities, like, you know, the turf football area. This area does look a little bit more built up, a little more clean, a little more organized. So maybe I am, but as I said, you know, once I get more acquainted, I'm just focusing on getting some supplies so that I can take care of myself, you know, like toothpaste and, you know, so yeah, FYI. I brushed my teeth this morning, but without toothpaste. It was... You know what is funny? This guy come on the camera. I had to take up the camera myself because this guy come on the camera and he tell everybody that he is the only black person. So what about Ayy? Did you travel by yourself, or did you not want to tell people that you brought a boy with you? A matter of fact, you came with a boy. I pay for your plane ticket too. Huh? Ungrateful. As you guys can see, I just got into Walmart. Don't be alarmed. Everything is just pretty much that big price divided by 18. Because $1 US is equivalent to 18 Mex. So yeah, but I think before I even go to Walmart, I really think I should try to convert my money. Like, I really do need to do that, to be honest. I'm gonna try to find it, because I did see a sign. Where I'm gonna try to work with is this thing called San Jorge. I believe that they give good rates, so I'm gonna check that out. Yeah, so change of plans. I'm going to San Jorge first. As you guys can see, just across from Walmart, there's actually a car dealership thing where they rent car, not a car dealership, a rental place. That one was 200 Mex per day, and that's about around $10 pretty much per day, which isn't bad, to be quite honest. But whenever I do come back here with Judah in the future, then of course I'll be using that in a few days too. So you can see more places faster. But yeah, I got about 0.7 miles to get to this San Jorge, so I'll be back when I get there. Oh wait, there's like a Scotiabank over there too. Okay, I just saw Scotiabank, which is my local bank in Jamaica. So I'm gonna check there first to see if they can convert money. Ah, there's so. Let's see how much they could give me for $1 US. Yep, $18, so they seem fair. That's good. All right, so that was pretty much a failure. Pretty much what she was saying, because her English wasn't good and my Spanish was even worse. But pretty much what she was saying is that if I don't have an account, like a Mexican account for Scotiabank, then I couldn't use it, which kind of sucked, because I mean, Scotiabank should be, you know, whatever, but you live and you learn. Upside is that I'm on the correct side of the road that I need to get to for San Jorge, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Yo, black body everywhere, dog. But anyway, San Jorge is the exchange thing is just over there. You guys can see the sign. I want to convert to US. Convertir pesos. ¿Cuánto es lo máximo que puedo convertir? 500. 300? 115. US?
Yes. Oh no, sorry. 1,500.
1,500 US. Okay, cool. ¿Necesita pasaporte? ¿Necesita pasaporte?
Sí, pasaporte.
Alright, so quick FYI guys, if you have these marks on the money, like when they check it or whatever it is, you can't convert it with this company. So I had about 80 bucks that was refused, but there's a store next door that I'll go to and have them take it. Sí.
Serían 1000, 2000, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 3000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4000, 50, 70, 90 y 750.
Sí, gracias. Alright, so I'm leaving there and I'm about to just walk straight over here. Because she did say that they did take it with the marks on it, but it's a couple cents less. So over there they give you $18.5 and here it's a bit less, but it's whatever. So what you guys have to do, or what I will do on my next trip here, is to make sure that whenever I go into the bank, well, I got these from an ATM, but I'll make sure that I pull my money from the bank and tell them I don't want any of the marked ones. That way it's gonna save me, I'm gonna have a bit more because the conversion rate over there is better, and at the same time too, save me the stress. Alright, so just a quick tip. I went over to the Centro Cambiado and it was a lot faster. Yes, it's a little bit less money, but it was way quicker. No necesita pasaporte. I didn't need to use my passport. That was quick. I got my money in like, probably like 1 minute. So, and it's cool that they're like right beside each other, so. Alright guys, so I'm about to have my very first street food experience at that Taco Angel place that I've been showing you guys about. I see a couple people here eating, so it must be alright. So I'm gonna see what they have and try to enjoy it, yeah? So I already pretty much got a bite out of this already. It's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's overwhelming, but it's pretty decent. So I'm just pretty much just here kneeling down because the chairs are all occupied. I'm having a chicharron with some onions and stuff. Thank you. Wow. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty interesting. So I had to be using my app to figure out like the prices and stuff. She charged me like 31 for like these two things and the Coke, which that's about like $2 or whatever it is. I enjoy this. You guys always hear about the typical Mexican Coke. It's nice and cold. It's awesome. But there's an app I'm gonna show you guys about it in the next video. That helps me a lot. Like I took a picture of the sign and it showed me exactly what everything was. It told me everything in English, what the price was. So I can use that to learn Spanish at the same time too. It's awesome. So I was just talking with a customer just now because I asked her what is a chicharron, because I was eating this thing. I couldn't quite pick up on the texture. So it's definitely pork, but it's the skin of the pig, because it does have this this kind of grizzly, cartilagey kind of feel, you know, but you know it's like a beefy, porky taste at the same time, you know. But now I know what a chicharron is, and I did enjoy it. For 31 bucks, which is like $2 or something like that, $2.50, who knows. But she did mention that I should leave this. I should leave the bottle after I'm done, so I'll just drink it. And I'll give it back to her.
Okay, vale. Gracias, estaba delicioso.
Alright guys, so yeah, I didn't quite get to video the food as much as I wanted to, because you gotta understand, for me it's a whole new thing, figuring out the language, you know, using the camera at the same time, but I'll get better as I do it. But that was an experience, man. that was an experience. I already feel kind of full already off that, and it wasn't even a lot of food. And I'm just looking forward to the other things. What I do realize about the cuisine with Mexico is that they use everything. They use everything. Like they have dishes where they use the face on the pig and all of that. I like that. They don't waste nothing at all here. So anyway, I'm heading to Walmart now, get my supplies, and then I'll pretty much just end the video there. And then probably later on I'll focus on more food videos where I can show you guys more. Shout out again to my patrons. You know, you guys did help me out with this trip. I know we did hit our goal of $100 US for the month, and I got that in like 3 days. So thank you guys. I do hope I can get more support from other people, and for the people who have been here from the get-go, just liking the video, sharing them, you know, please keep doing that. Show them how we do at Jamaica. You see me, or Jamaican people come to Mexico and leave the place. All right, see you at Walmart. So I just saw the Walmart sign just somewhere over there, so I know I'm close. And I'm doing this pretty much out of my head. Like I looked at the map to get some verifications, but I can kind of remember some of the places. And you guys know I suck at directions. And as a matter of fact, there goes the Scotiabank too. One thing I did realize that a couple videos before, like the couple shots or whatever, wasn't even in full frame HD, I believe. So what I need to start doing is making sure I look at that. But apart from that, yo, just being here, when I did a conversion just now, I paid like $1.70 something for a Coke and something to eat. And if I'm to be honest, in my country, nah, I don't believe you could have gotten the same thing for the same price. The Coke alone would have cost $1. That's for sure. So yeah, things here are very, you know, affordable. And what I do like is that the people have been real, you know. The people have been really nice with me. For example, when I was trying to order and I was like, yo, no hablo español, a lady, she just jumped in and she was like, I can help you. And she said, you know, what did you want? She got the menu for me because I didn't even realize that there was a menu there. And I did use my app to translate whatever the words were and such. But yeah, I wish I did get to video that. But of course, I'm just getting accustomed to the culture of the people, you know, how they behave and how they react. And so far, they've been pretty good. Of course, you're gonna have a few people who, you know, they're very shy away from English. So you just gotta feel them out, you know, but yeah. So I'm gonna go pick this up, pick up what I'm getting from Walmart, and probably just end the video there. And then, you know, probably later today, I'll just do another video, you know, going out for food. I do hope the quality doesn't get messed up because I had it in the wrong settings, but it's a part of doing vlogs, right? All right, so I'm in the Walmart. I got body wash and all that. Trying to find the heads for my mechanical toothbrush. I honestly thought I'd be able to find it, but I don't. I see like for Oral-B and the others, but not for this. I think my battery's just about to die pretty soon. I do have extra batteries there, but I've been using this battery from yesterday, so might just have to buy a regular toothbrush. No. So let's see. Trying to find hair conditioner. I just asked the lady if they have Cantu in here, but they don't. They don't know. As black people, like that's what we use. Like it's a good, you know, product, and I use it for my hair. So next time when I come to Mexico, I'm definitely bringing Cantu. But I'm searching around and I really don't see it. Alright, so I really didn't find any Cantu, but I did see some stuff that are a bit similar. The reason I might go with this oil instead of this one because this is lighter. You know, I do want an oil instead of a hair mask, so I'm gonna go with this because I'm traveling and I need to travel light. I'm definitely looking for this quality boxers, the stretch ones. I found that those last a lot longer than the cotton ones, but yo, I'm not finding them in the hands, but I'm seeing a whole different kind of brands here, like that Zaga thing. Yeah, I can see where there are different brand preferences, especially Wilson seems to be a brand that they really like here. So I didn't come with a lot of shirts, but I see these shirts that I like. They just feel Cancunish. I think I coined a new word, but yeah, I like the message. It says break rules, share reality. And I like this one too, freedom. All I want is everything. So I'm definitely getting these two shirts so I can wear them in the vlog. You guys can see what's in the cart so far. Alright guys, let me just say, man, I was a little bit overwhelmed. You know, just being in the store, the wordings are a bit different. I mean, Walmart is Walmart, but some stuff were a little bit different. For example, the brands, you know, the sizes, the names of stuff. Even exiting the store, you guys could see like there were some kids like that were packing out. Maybe not so strange because in Jamaica, some kids sometimes in the summer, you know, have jobs like that. But yeah, cool part is when I was leaving the store, there are cabs, taxis out there. So when I get home, I'm gonna talk with the Airbnb lady, figure out like what's the cost I can expect. That way I can just hop in a cab and have a basic idea of how much I should be paying and that I don't overpay and stuff. But like so far, really cool day. I was gonna end the vlog here because the battery just died and I had to switch it over because I want to end the vlog properly. But guys, yo, thank you for being here with me. Definitely doesn't feel like I'm alone here, like a solo traveler talking in the vlog sometimes. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later on, probably today. Probably try to find some street food, and day by day we'll understand more about Mexico. Remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.